Composer is a tool for dependency management in PHP. It allows you to declare the libraries for your project depends on, and it'll manage and install and update them for you. So this is to say that a Laravel project depends on many small packages that are pulled from elsewhere. Composer allows you to do that automatically. Every time you fire up a new project, Composer will look for all the dependencies for that Laravel project and download them and keep them updated for you. Okay, so then we're going to head over and look at the download. So these commands here we're going to run one by one in the command line, which we need to go ahead and open terminal. Okay, so there's two ways you can install Composer. Initially you can install it on a project by project basis, which means every Laravel project you create, you could install Composer inside effectively, and then that would download all the packages for that specific Laravel project. Or a more common approach would be to install it on a global level, which means installing it further down the path than what the project folder is. Okay, so let's have a look what that looks like. If we open a terminal and we navigate to, this is a Mac, so on a Mac we navigate to /user/local/bin. As you can see, I already have Composer installed, but if I didn't, what I do in this folder, I would run these commands one by one. So first of all, download the installer to the current directory. Second of all, we're going to verify the hash file. Third, we're going to run the installer, and then fourth, that will remove the installer. Okay, and so once you've run those commands, you'll have a folder that looks similar to this, i.e. it now contains Composer, as that is installed on the global level. And to check that that's worked correctly, we're going to run composer-v, which checks for the version, and we can see that we have Composer installed, version 2.6